Hey, so if you want to design high-impact marketing slides using Google Slides in 2026, this guide will walk you through everything step by step so your message looks persuasive, clear, and professional. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once you're inside, create a new presentation or open one where you want to design your marketing slides. Start with a clear goal. Marketing slides should focus on one main message: selling a product, promoting a service, or explaining value. Knowing your goal helps shape every slide. Choose a clean and modern theme. Use brand colors, readable fonts, and consistent layouts. Avoid clutter. Marketing slides work best when visuals and text are simple and focused. Begin with a strong opening slide. Clearly state the benefit or problem you're addressing. This grabs attention immediately and keeps viewers interested. Next, structure your slides around value. Add slides that explain the problem, your solution, key features, and benefits. Use short bullet points instead of long paragraphs. Yeah, clarity always converts better. Add visuals like icons, images, charts, or screenshots to support your message. Visuals make marketing slides more engaging and easier to remember. Just make sure every visual has a purpose. Use contrast wisely. Highlight important words, numbers, or calls to action using size or color, but don't overdo it. Balance keeps slides professional. For consistency, use master slides to set fonts, colors, and layouts once. This saves time and keeps your marketing deck visually aligned. Before finishing, review slides in presentation mode. Check readability, spacing, and flow. Make sure each slide leads naturally to the next and supports your main goal. You can present slides live, share them with your team, or export them as a PDF for campaigns or clients. Google Slides saves everything automatically in Drive, and that's it. By focusing on clear goals, clean design, strong visuals, and consistent branding, you can design effective marketing slides in Google Slides. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.